Hello Taste Bud Explorers, it's Ebi-kun from Taste Tests Ebi-kun Eats, and I try foods from all around the world. And today I'm going to be trying this. So, I think most of you are familiar with KitKat. And some of you might know in Japan that they make loads of strange flavours. I've done a few on YouTube already, but this one, it's fruit candy flavoured KitKat. I don't think it helps your throat, but it says it's got fruit candy powder 2.1%. So we'll see what that means. This guy is a football announcer. Commentator.
Flip the box over. Can you explain what that is on the back?
So, KitKats kind of play on words in Japanese. Kitto means definitely, and katto or katsu means win. So you can write a message to someone on the box. You can write it on here as well. So this is what looks like.
How many do you get in the box?
3. Wait. Oh no. I thought because oh yeah. The commentator's saying different things. But
So what's he saying?
this and this are the same, but these ones say today whatever shape will win and go home. And then this one is you're good. You're playing good today.
So which one are you going to eat?
This one?
Okay.
Oh. Oh, smells really minty. So, it's just a KitKat but white. Smell it.
Oh, menthol. Menthol KitKat. Can't imagine. Now, you had a poorly throat last week. Do you think this KitKat would have helped it? No?
It's got biscuit inside. And it's menthol flavoured white chocolate.
Is it a good combination?
I quite like this sort of menthol flavoured fruit candy, and I like white chocolate. I like biscuits, not all in one go. White chocolate and biscuit, yeah, but
Not a good combo.
I'll give it 3 out of 10, I think.
Ooh.
4 maybe. It really wasn't the best. So, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you try something new and subscribe to my channel, you'll be a Taste Bud Explorer too. See you next video. Goodbye.